So hey there, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Today we're going to be recreating Deepika Padukone's Cannes Eye look. This is one of the most epic makeup looks she has ever done and it's just so stunning and beautiful. We're going to see how to create this. I'm going to start off with the Huda Beauty's Naughty Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to pick up like this peachy, salmony kind of a color, and if you have deeper skin, go with something which is more of a warm brown because this color will wash you out. That way you'll have a good amount of color on the lid and it doesn't give you that dreaded concealer look, when you feel like you have a very, very bland looking eye. So just any color which is a shade darker than your skin and something which is a little more on the neutral side would do the trick. I'm just kind of going with it all across the crease and the outer corner and slightly blending that above the outer corner and the lid. That way it is seen when my eyes are open. So that's about it. It's not too precise. So I'm just doing a nice clean wash of color across the entire lid and ensure that your brush is a little more on the fluffier side. That way you have no harsh lines. Moving on, let's pick up a brown eyeshadow on a wing liner brush. This is going to help us to create the shape because we want both the eyes to look balanced. I'm creating a thin line right from my outer corner and I'm keeping this more horizontal instead of very tilted just to mimic her look. So we're just going to do that with a black winged eyeliner now where I'm just going to trace it on the top. This is the most easiest and the most beginner friendly tip, especially if you're somebody who struggles with a wing liner. So just extend that and take it all the way outwards. Keep it as thin as possible. And now I'm just going to slowly start taking that and connecting that towards the beginning of the outer corners. So I'm just creating like a triangle situation over there. That way it looks nice and smooth, but ensure that the end of the wing is going to be really sharp. Do not keep adding more, product in that area. That way it's going to become very, very thick. We want that to look nice and sharp and clean. So now I'm just going to slowly start making small feather strokes all the way till the middle of the eye. That way we have a liner which is a little more thicker in that area. Look at Deepika's liner. It's more of a classic wing. So that's why we're doing this. And we're keeping it also as thin as possible, just like her in the look. And I'm just going to slowly start extending that. Ensure that you're doing this with a liquid liner. I just feel like it's more easier because that way it will not skip if you have wrinkles along your lash line. Plus, it'll be easy for you to move your brush along your lash line too, compared to a gel or a cream. So it's a lot more easier and the brush will also be a lot more sharper for you if you're using a liquid. Now I'm just going to slowly extend that towards the inner corner also. That way it looks like a nice clean liner, especially post mascara. It's going to make your lashes also look more voluminous. So moving on, we're going to do the dreaded inner corner wing and I'm just going to extend that along the same angle as the liner above the lid. And we're just going to make that a little longer and connect that with a small line towards the lower lash line. That way it looks like a tiny triangle in the inner corner. Taking a little bit of brown eyeshadow and I'm kind of like, putting that right into the lashes. This is going to make my lashes look thick without me having too much of eyeshadow because I don't want the look to look very smoky. So we're just going to squeeze a little bit of eyeshadow right into the lashes. And then I'm going to pick up a little shimmer eyeshadow. I'm just going with a peachy gold shade, which is closest to my skin tone. And I'm applying that around the wing. You could do this step before doing the wing in the inner corner, or you could just take a very tiny brush and just apply it around that. I'm anyways going to be doing false lashes, but make sure that your lashes are well coated. That way there are no gaps when you're looking at it middle, especially if somebody's really close to you. Now to make your eyes look a lot more bigger, I'm going to go with a neutral kajal pencil along my waterline. So I'm not going to use white. White looks very stark on my Indian skin. So I'm just going to go with a neutral pencil. And then we're just going to throw on some false lashes and this is the completed look. I just think it's one of the most loveliest looks. This will work on any outfit, especially because we're approaching the wedding season too. I feel this will work on any single outfit. It's going to be perfect for Indian glam as well as cocktails and receptions and whatnot. It's just one of the most easiest tutorials, yet it's just so glam and perfect. So I hope you found this video helpful and let me know which other tutorials you would like to learn and I would be happy to create them for you. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye-bye.